Pauling method to determine ionic radii. Pauling's method. Pauling has calculated the radii of the ions on the basis of the observed internuclear distance in 4 crystals, namely NaF, KCl, RBBr, and CSI. In each ionic crystal, the cations and anions are isoelectronic with inert gas configuration K plus 2,8,8, Cl minus 2,8,8. The cations and anions of an ionic crystal are assumed to be in contact with each other, and hence the sum of their radii will be equal to the internuclear distance between them. R of C plus R of A minus is equal to D of C plus A minus, where R of C plus is radius of cation C plus, R of A minus is radius of anion A minus, D of C plus A minus is internuclear distance between C plus and A minus ions. For a noble gas configuration, the radius of an ion is inversely proportional to its effective nuclear charge. R of C directly proportional to 1 by Z star of C plus. R of A directly proportional to 1 by Z star of A minus, where Z star of C plus and Z star of A minus are the effective nuclear charges of cation C plus and anion A minus. On combining, we get R of C plus by R of A minus is equal to Z star of A minus by Z star of C plus. Hence, the above two equations can be used to evaluate the values of R of C plus and R of A minus, provided that the values of D of C plus A minus, Z star of C plus and Z star of A minus are known. The value of screening constant S and effective nuclear charge can be calculated by using Slater rules. Explain the variation of ionization energy along the group and period. Ionization energy of an element is defined as the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from isolated neutral gaseous atom in its lowest energy state. M plus energy gives M plus E minus. Ionization energy is measured in electron volts per atom, kilocalories per mole, or kilojoules per mole. The ionization energy of an atom depends on the following factors: size of atom or ion, magnitude of nuclear charge, effect of number of electrons in the inner shells, effect of shape of orbital, effect of arrangement of electrons. Period variation of ionization energy. Across the period, the value of ionization energy increases from left to right with breaks where the atoms can attain a stable configuration by losing an electron. As we move across the period, effective nuclear charge increases as the size decreases, and it is the period effective nuclear charge increases as the size decreases, and it is difficult to remove the electrons from the valence shell. So, ionization energy increases. Down the group, the value of ionization energy decreases from top to bottom, because as we move down the group, atomic size increases, the nuclear attraction decreases, and it is easy to remove the electrons from the valence shell. So, ionization energy decreases.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos. and educational contents.